Getting ready to change this canceling cam out because, you know, it's brittle, it's broke, don't want to work. And the wires runs down the column, into here, into this plug. And the new one is, you know, no plug. So I guess I'm gonna have to cut these off, save this, pull the pins out, pull the wires with this out. Then we're gonna go fishing, which I didn't plan on doing this type today. Down the column and out down here. Definitely not the type of fishing I had intended for today. Don't start cutting all these wires down here, because you don't know what else was ran up in this column, right? So we went ahead and just snipped the old canceling cam out, because we shouldn't need, that's the key word, shouldn't need anything out of there. So now, we'll see, right here's one wire that if you would have cut all these off, I'm sure that would have been no longer working. So now we're gonna go fish or pull them out and get ready for the next step. Next step is to take a very good detailed picture and or drawing of these wires, because once you take them out, there's no taxi backies, no Indian giving here. Once it's gone, it's gone. So should we take a picture, mark them, draw it, or should we just wing it? Well, I for one ain't gonna wing it, but I will take a few pictures. Got the new cam in, wires fished, still sitting there, and I felt a little froggy and I went ahead and pulled all the wires out of the connector. So I guess we'll see if we're feeling lucky today. If we get it right on the first try, I might go buy a lottery ticket. Well, let's see if we're buying a lottery ticket tonight. Forgot my thing. I hear something, but I don't see no bugs flashing. The world's slowest flasher or blinker. See about hazards. Well, we got hazard. We must have done something right. Looks like we might be going buying a lottery ticket. Well, there's that. I always like seeing how this stuff works. It's got this little cam thing in there with little notches. As you're turning it, you see it's just flopping right over that. As you turn the wheel back, I'm assuming this catches in the steering wheel, because there's a groove right there. Cuts back, catches this clip, and you see it's gonna pop this up off of there, just like that. Let's do the bottom one, you might see it better. See how that catches over that right there, and it catches over this here. Spin the wheel, woo, but as it's coming back around, Now you can see where this is fixing to push up over that and canceled. And now you understand why this old hard plastic's been brittle. Well, we went ahead and replaced it before it did break on us.